Okay, in this clip, I'm going to show you how to control your timeline from another timeline, which will be a movie symbol. Now, you can remember that we created this movie symbol right here with our buttons on it. Now we're going to open this up. You can see our buttons here. Now, of course, this has its own timeline, and we want to control the main timeline. Okay, we're going to select a button. Now we're in frame 40 right here in the main timeline, and we want to go to frame 41. So we're going to bring up our actions. We're going to click this little add button, go to global functions, movie clip control, on. Now this is a simple on action, and we're going to choose release. And now we're going to bring up another action. And this is a call function action. And there's a few things you need to set here. The first is this dot parent, and this is telling that we want to control the parent timeline. And the method, we want to do a go to and stop. And the parameters, of course, is frame 41. So now when we click this in our main timeline, it will bring us to frame 41 in our main timeline. And I'll show you that right now. Now you can see in our movie, if we click this button, brings us to frame 41. And that's how you control your main timeline from another timeline in a movie symbol.